All right, Bridger, Cheese, and I have got the shifter issue fixed, I think. So this was completely straight, and as you can see, we did some bends and then rotated it out to the left. And so the truck is currently in second, neutral, second. Transfer case is all the way up in for high, so plenty of clearance. And then we can put it in for low. Plenty of clearance here, I think, because there's just going to be the rubberized floor mat in here, no carpet or nothing. So yeah, I think we're good to go. I'll finish patching this up and we'll be good to go. All right, seat test. Seats in, just thrown in place and bolted, and yeah, shifter doesn't contact. We've got four-wheel drive, everything, so we are good to go.